Hi guys, this is Riz Khan. Today I will show you something different. It's about your gas bill and how bill is generated. It's how the conversion take place, and then it's standing charges and VAT. So just have a look. You might already know this, but some people who don't know about how the bill are produced, it's worth watching this video. Uh, just assume that you move into a property on 31st January 2019, and then you got given this read by your landlord 20154, and then month later you recorded this read from your meter 20225, and that give you 71 units. And how? It's because if the current read take away previous read give you 71 units in cubic meter feet. And then because you do not bill on that meter on that unit, you are billed on kilowatt units. So this gets converted into kilowatt units, and this is I'm going to show you how, because if you know that gas measure is in cubic meter feet, not in a kilowatt per hour. Let's have a look how it gets converted. So now we have 71 units, and that gets multiplied by correction factor. A correction factor is actually applied to account for fluctuation of gas temperature and pressure in the UK. It's a standard value, and the same value all the company they use this value when they're converting. Uh, and then we have calorific value, that is the most important one, and this is the value that varies, and this value actually measure the average supply to your property. And when you get a quotation or you switch to a new supplier, they ask you a series of questions in the beginning about your property, your consumption, how many bedroom you have. For example, you have one bedroom flat, and some people have four-bedroom flat. So your consumption, of course, will be lower than them, because if you have started consuming too much gas, then they want to know why you're using too much gas and if there's a gas leak or any problem. So it varies dependent on the size of the property. And then we have a conversion factor. Once you've done the math, like multiply conversion factor, then this value, and then is divided by the conversion factor, which is 3.6. That's again standard, and all companies are using the same. So it's a very simple, straightforward math, and this is, and now you can see what's happening here. So that gives you 71 cubic meter feet gets converted into kilowatt per hour, and that gives you 793 units. So this unit actually multiplied by the unit price, which is shown in your bill. For this particular one, we have unit price 0.047p, and then this is the total amount 37.27. And there's one more important thing, is the standing charge. Standing charge is dependent on your tariff. Some tariff do have standing charge, some don't. It's set by your as a service provider, and it is charged on a daily basis. For this particular one, you can see it's 24.23 pence per day, and that's multiplied by 28 days because it's 28 days bill. So that's £6 and 78 pence. So but don't get confused the way I've written that. So because 24.23, you need to divide that by 100, and then when you get this rate 0.2423 multiplied by number of days, that give you £6 and 78 pence. This is the standing charge for 28 days. and then we have total number of units, and then it gets added here, and then we're gonna be adding VAT. I have already done that there, £2.20, which is here, and now we can add all those figures, which is here, 37.27 pence and £6.78, and then £2.20, which is £46.26. This is the total bill, and that shows you the bill comprises on 3 different items. So that's it. That's how your gas bill is generated. So I had that information. I thought that should be shared with you. So share your comment with me, and take care and have a lovely day.